can you stop twice? Like, if I stop at the stop sign, but then I'm too far, I can go forward and then stop again, right?
Your first stop is not at the stop sign, it's before the sidewalk, just to make sure no pedestrians. So after you stop, legally you don't have to make another stop.
But if I want to, it's not like they're not going to take points off.
They would, because that means why did you stop the second time?
Because I saw a car.
If you saw a car.
Before.
If you saw a car. But if
Okay.
there's no car, you can't stop.
Okay.
And then you have to come up so you can see everything. So you can't make 10 stops, and you can't lift your shoulders up, so you have to use the front of the car to be at the end. So go as high as you can, and that would be right up to here. So if you're going to pause again, this is where you would pause. You can't pause before this.
Like, you can't keep pausing?
No.